Good day, everyone. My extemporaneous speech is entitled Rising Cases of HIV/AIDS Through a Gen-Z Lens. HIV/AIDS is a serious issue that continues to affect many young people around the world. In this speech, I will share how Generation Z understand the risks of HIV/AIDS and how their knowledge can help prevent its spread. In 1994, the name Sarah Jane Salazar, a 19-year-old Filipina, made her headlines when she bravely admitted she was HIV positive. She was second Filipino to come out publicly, facing massive stigma and discrimination. Her story became a symbol of courage and advocacy, especially for education and awareness on HIV/AIDS. Today, her story still resonates, reminding us of the need for awareness, action, and compassion. Fast forward to 2023, according to Rokhani Mustafa from Muhammadiyah Simarang University, revealed that more than 1.4 million young people aged 15 and up are still affected by HIV/AIDS globally. Their research, using Health Belief Model (HBM), aimed to understand how Generation Z perceives the threat of HIV. Their findings how that while young people are aware of their risks and consequences, they still faces major barriers such as lack of access to accurate information, absence of role models, and limited open discussion at school and at home. For example, a senior high school student who shared during a focus group that despite being aware of HIV, he didn't know where to get tested without fear of being judged. This is the reality for many Filipino youth. Is misinformation, fear, and silence dominate the conversation. The study we cited was published in 2023, making it current and timely in addressing the modern challenges of HIV among youth. The focus of the study is Generation Z, the very same group we're talking to right now. The content directly relates to our lives and decisions. The authors, Sokhani and Mustafa, are public health professors from a respected university. Their study was presented at international symposiums. Adding credibility, their work is backed by reliable theory, the health belief model, and analyzed using the respected method of Miles and Huberman. These tools ensure valid and trustworthy findings. The intent of their research is clear: to inform, protect, not to mislead or judge. The purpose is aligned with health advocacy, which seeks solution, not blame. HIV is not a punishment. It should not be source of shame. The real threat is our silence and lack of information. We as Gen Z have the power to speak up, to share correct information, and to be part of solution.